Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by readying both devices, your phone and, if used, a laptop. Open WhatsApp and start the call. Make the person aware you will share audio. Once the call is active, switch to your headset or enable system audio routing. This ensures clean capture without echo. Make sure permissions for microphone and screen recording are granted to the app you'll use. Why? Because permissions and proper routing prevent muted feeds and poor quality sound, so the next steps will work reliably. Next, you route the audio into the call. Tap the Share Screen or Share Audio button in WhatsApp. On Android, select Share Device Audio. On iPhone, use Screen Recording with microphone off and enable System Audio where available. If using a PC, choose the audio loopback or stereo mix as the input in your conferencing bridge. Once done, monitor levels. Lower the playback volume and microphone gain so audio does not clip or produce echo for the listener. Finish by checking with the person on the other end. Ask them to confirm clarity and appropriate volume. If they report echo, have both sides use earphones and reduce mic gain. If feedback persists, pause and reconnect the call. If no audio is heard, stop sharing, reopen permissions, and reselect the audio input or loopback device. This fixes most failures. Finally, once confirmed, continue sharing. If problems recur, restart the app and device to clear stuck audio sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.